Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Power off or safely unmount the storage before you touch the SD card. This prevents file corruption and hardware errors. If you use a computer, eject the card from the operating system first. Identify the card size next as standard SD, mini SD, or micro SD and check for an adapter. Find the device slot and examine whether it uses a spring eject or a push-push mechanism. Also locate a lock switch. Hold the device steady and orient your hand to access the card slot comfortably. For spring eject slots, press gently until the card clicks and pops out a few millimeters. For push-push slots, press inward and release to let the card spring out. Use your finger to grasp the card edge and slide it out in a straight line. Avoid touching the metal contacts or bending the card during removal. Place the card on a clean anti-static surface immediately. If you plan to store the card, place it in a protective case or in its adapter to prevent damage. Label the card with a permanent marker to track its contents and date. Keep the card away from liquids, magnets, and extreme temperatures to preserve data integrity. To reinsert, align the card notch and metal contacts with the slot orientation shown on the device. Slide the card in gently until you hear a click or feel secure seating before powering the device back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.